carbon goodies. Wheels, the red interior, 916 exotics. Those seats are sick. I like that. Z06 on CCWs? Oh, bro. This thing is sick. Babe, see, these are the wheels I wanted to get for my car. But if I had them polished, they would look so nice on my car. TSV on some Vossens. Oh, that's cool. Hold on. Let me find out this is the Fast and Furious. Oh, this is so sweet. Right-hand drive. Oh my god. Regular Ram truck. Nope. Pro Charger. That's cool. This Corvette's literally laying on the ground right now. That's actually crazy how low this thing is. This thing is. Straight aired out. F-150 on welds. Oh, that's sick. Look, hydro dip like the fan cover and the up covers. Oh, down. A little Goku sticker. That's where it's solid. GTR just hiding over here in a parking lot. M8. Absolute boat. M8. Okay. Like this blue GTR right here. How fancy this thing is. The right-hand drive. Supra? Fitment's nice on this thing. Supra? Fitment's nice on this thing. good M2. M3. Good 3000 GT. Oh wow. Sick GTR.